What's up guys, it's your friend Jack here, and today I want to have a nice little chat, just me and you, and we're going to talk about how to be successful on Redbubble and why pretty much everyone fails on Redbubble and doesn't get the success they want. So there are a lot of reasons why someone was not successful on Redbubble or why they fail. However, I think the biggest reason about Redbubble and print-on-demand in general that people fail is because they don't realize print-on-demand is not a get-rich-quick kind of business. It is a long-term business model, meaning the work you put in today is supposed to do work for you for years to come. But thinking about this, it does take a lot of time to build up something that is basically substantial over a short period of time, because you're building something that is gonna do well for you in the long term. And I think a lot of people, when they start print on demand, they get stuck in their niches and they just focus on trends, or they'll focus on only evergreens and they won't see the results they want because they're doing something more long term. And when people focus on just trends, they're gonna see a little bit of success that doesn't last as long. So what I think is most people don't get the full picture when they're starting print on demand, when they're doing print on demand, and Redbubble especially. People might make a few sales off one trend and then they stop. And people also might take a while to find evergreen designs that are working for them in low competition, high demand niches. Especially when you're getting started, it's hard to find those niches. And even when you do find them, you're not guaranteed to be successful in them because there are always a little bit of other competition in your niche. So it takes a while to adjust and overcome some obstacles. I think the number one reason why people fail on Redbubble is because they don't see that these obstacles that they overcome, once they get over them, they can make some more money, make some more sales. And most people don't think long term in terms of print on demand. So they're not thinking of the bigger picture, what they're building up to. Maybe they might say, oh, I only made $20 this month on Redbubble, I might as well just quit now. But really, if you doubled that for the next 3 years, you'd be making a lot. Like, it doesn't take that long. It just takes consistent effort. And usually when you put effort into Redbubble or any print-on-demand platform consistently, and I mean like every day, or you're putting actual effort in, you're gonna get returns. And if it's on the term of money, you'll learn things. And when you learn things, you can implement those things. And really, it's just a cycle. So what you have to do is keep on working at it. And there are also other opportunities in print-on-demand, like converting your print-on-demand designs to KDP books, or just other platforms in general are gonna give you a way better chance to make more sales. Something huge on Redbubble also is to make sure that you are uploading to not just trending or niche designs, but sticking to evergreen designs. And when you get one that works and you find a lower competition niche or a low competition, high demand niche, it doesn't have to be hugely low competition. But when you do find something you make a few sales in, usually I start off with 10, 20, 30 designs in those niches. If I make a sale, 2, 3 sales, I'll go back and pump out 20 to 30 more designs for that niche. And every single time I make more sales on the new designs. So that's something that can basically boost your organic reach in the long term of things and boost your organic sales, because once you have sales on a listing, it proves to Redbubble that, okay, someone wants to buy this, and if someone wants to buy this, we should probably push it out to more people. So the more designs you have and the more sales you get on any of those designs, you're going to basically boost your organic rank and boost your chances of making more sales, because more people are going to see those designs higher in the search results, because Redbubble knows, someone bought this, I want to make more. Redbubble wants to make more money, so they're going to put your designs higher up on the priority list. And when we talk about, organic sales and organic rank, I think a huge thing is just make sure you enable all your products. Honestly, on Redbubble, if you're not a super niche down shop, if you're a general shop, 100% I would just enable all your products, even if they don't look the best. Because if you make a sale on any product, that's going to boost the whole design's product catalog, up to the next page on whatever people are searching for. And if you can get, higher up on the pages where people are searching, more people are going to see your design and the more sales you're going to make. And the more sales you make lead to more sales. It's kind of like a snowball effect. And especially on platforms like Redbubble, where favorites people buying your designs and stuff like that have a huge impact on the rank of your product on the search page. The more sales, the better. So if you can double down on a niche that you're already making sales in, that you know that works, that's going to be better, because you can make you can make sales there, and you can get more designs up on the first pages of results, aka more chances for your designs to get seen, more chances for your designs to get bought. And most people in print on demand, they're not focusing on things like this. I think a lot of people in Redbubble, they're focusing too much on the fact that, you know, I'm only making 10 or 20 bucks a month. That's not what you should be focusing on. I know it is a little bit discouraging at first, but when you think about it, you're building a long-term business. And even if Redbubble were to shut down, all these designs you could put up elsewhere. Yes, it may be a pain, but you have the designs, and if you're evergreen designs, no matter where you put them, there's always going to be people wanting to buy them. So you could put them on your own shop, you could put them somewhere else. So when you're thinking long-term Redbubble, also, you know, you need to take into consideration, be safe with your account. You don't want to get banned, you don't want to use any trademarked properties, but another thing you want to take into account is that you are building something long-term. You're building a passive income stream, essentially. So don't get too focused up on, I only made $20 this month, because if you stopped right now and you made $20 the previous month, if you're just doing evergreen designs, there's a good chance the next month, if you don't post anything at all, you're going to make $20 again. So that's the thing. Redbubble is a long-term thing. Redbubble is not a get-rich-quick thing. Print on demand is not really get-rich-quick. Merch by Amazon is a huge platform, and if you have the advantage or the opportunity to use it, I would highly recommend using it. But once again, even a huge platform like that is not a get-rich-quick thing. These free organic platforms are really heavily based on producing a lot of high-quality designs in low competition or high-demand, at least, niches. So when you're thinking about quitting, if you're thinking about, you know, I don't want to do this anymore, most people fail just because they don't see the bigger picture, they don't see the long-term goal, and a lot of people aren't really, you know, they don't believe enough to see the long-term goal, because it is there are people, tons of people out there making a living off print on demand, and especially with platforms like Merch by Amazon and Etsy, people are converting the Redbubble designs and making them sell like 10 times over on other platforms. So Redbubble is not the only platform I would suggest you using. I know this video is for Redbubble people, but if you guys want to, you know, increase your belief in how much money you can make in print on demand, just upload to other platforms and you will see you can make sales elsewhere as well as Redbubble and build up multiple passive income streams. So if one site were to go, you're fine. If two sites were to go, you have a third. So things like that are reasons why people also quit Redbubble. Their account might get banned, or they quit print on demand because one of their accounts gets banned, and then they just stop trying. And me personally, my Merch by Amazon account got banned, but that's not going to stop me from trying my hardest to make money online and with print on demand. And I know for a fact that people make thousands of dollars a month on Redbubble and Etsy and TeePublic even. So if they can do it, what's stopping me? And that's really my attitude towards this whole thing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of just me talking to the camera, but that's the point of the video. And to be successful in Redbubble, I think you really have to have the mindset that you are going to be successful. You kind of have to see yourself making the money that you want to make, no matter how long in the future it's going to be. Having a long-term mindset and looking in the bigger picture is always going to help you get to your end goal if you set an end goal. So definitely set an end goal of where you want to be on Redbubble and how much you want to make. You know, get an idea in your head of what you want from this platform, and you'll be much better off trying to visualize it or kind of get a picture in your head on where you actually want to be. And it's a lot easier to get somewhere when you know where you want to go. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful in some way. If you did, please smash the like button. It's been your friend Jack. If you made it to this point in the video, comment down below Redbubble hope, just because I think a lot of people don't have enough hope in themselves to be successful in Redbubble or other print on demand platforms. But I honestly believe in anyone who puts in the consistent effort and work can make it happen. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great freaking day. Keep striving, stay blessed. Peace.